Hi, I'm Mark Ebner.
And I'm Mike Matheson. We're with Matheson Heating and Air Conditioning, a third-generation family-owned and operated business that was started by our grandfather in 1946.
We're on site today in Highland, Michigan, where we recently completed a WaterFurnace geothermal system.
Just a few short days ago, we had a team on site drilling the vertical geothermal loops. Let's go back a few days and take a look.
Well, that completes the installation of our vertical geothermal loop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please contact me, Mark Ebner, your comfort advisor with Matheson Heating and Air Conditioning at 1-866-363-4868. Have a great day.